is your USD News Minute. Before the winter break, students in Dr. Leeva Chung's Small Business Group Communication class presented their marketing projects for the City of San Diego's Think Blue campaign in front of a panel of environmentalists, City of San Diego Council members, and USD's Dr. Michel Boudrias. The Think Blue campaign educates people about stormwater pollution and how to prevent it. Learn more about the presentations at the USD News Center. A 4-day writing boot camp starts on January 17 to provide assistant professors, postdocs, and advanced graduate students with time to focus on their writing before the spring semester. Register as soon as possible as space is limited. Registration closes on Wednesday, January 11th. Mark your calendars for the annual all-face service on February 9th at 12:15 in the Kroc Theater. This will be USD's 30th annual all-face service featuring contributions from students, faculty, and staff celebrating the many faith traditions represented in our USD community. This year's theme explores diverse practices for channeling peace in our lives and in our world. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.